Alright, what's going on, design dude and dudettes? Today we're going to show you how to add custom fonts into Inkscape. And it's pretty simple. We'll be using Font Swirl. They do totally free fonts. It's pretty awesome. What you have to be careful about though is some of these are totally free for personal use. But if you do intend to ever use this for any commercial type of use, maybe a design you're selling or someone who's sponsored, do be careful because you would have to actually pay for that license. But for anything personalized and that you're kind of doing, this is amazing. So if you go to Font Squirrel, let's install a font here. My favorite thing is to maybe check out some of the font styles based over here. Let's grab a hand-drawn version, and anything that has like the TTF or an OTF is doable. Be careful of the ones that do say off-site, because then they send you to like a sponsored site and it's kind of a pain. But anyways, let's check out, and this one looks pretty good. Amatic, very popular fonts, and we'll just download that and get it installed here. So alright, and from there we'll open up the TTF file and install. And you'll see I added a few prior for some previous projects. Pacifico, it's a good one. Alex Brush is the other. And let's go ahead and open up Inkscape. And I'll hit 1, it'll just get me zoomed. We'll add a text box. And I'll just type in font install. Now over here on the right, we can adjust the fonts. Here we go. And you'll notice right now I have the font install. What we'll want to look for is Amatic. There's Amatic there. Let's apply. And you'll see it changed. And I don't know, let's make that a little bigger. Other ways we can adjust this, I'll just close that out. If you go over here to the transform, I'm going to hit Shift and Control on my keyboard. And you'll notice this will stay in the same aspect ratio. If I don't hit Shift and Control, I can sort of make this taller or longer, however I care for. I'll just Control Z though, but Shift and Control is going to be your best friend, keeping that consistent. So, alright, well, I hope you liked that one. We went over showing you how to install custom fonts and enjoy designing.